So we all know how this online loan, these people that normally give loans to people, you go online and borrow loans. We all know how they disturb a lot. We all know there is nobody that don't know how. If you borrow money on these people, you will see that they will call you from morning to night. Now, that's not the only problem. If you know that there are some calls that actually disturbing you and you actually don't want those calls to be happening on your phone again. Strange numbers are calling you, different calls are calling you every day, 24 hours. In a minute, you see different type of calls calling you. Now, there is a way you can stop all these things that are actually calling you on your phone. Now, I'm going to teach you in this video, in this tutorial, how you can stop such calls from happening on your phone. Now, for we to be able to do that, we need to go over on our phone call. So on this our phone call, what we are going to do, we are going to click on these settings. Okay, guys, make sure you pay attention to this video and know where I'm touching. On this place, I'm going to use the arrow point to indicate for you guys. I'm going to click here. So here we have some settings here. Okay, we're going to come over to this place that say block number. Okay, we are going to click on this. It's not the one you know that you go and start blocking people number. Okay, this one is different from what I'm about to show you, and that's why you need to pay attention and see where I'm going to touch. Okay, pay attention. Just make sure you pay close attention on this tutorial. Now I'm going to touch over to this place that say call. I'm going to touch over to this place that say block number not in contact. Okay, guys, this is it. Block number not in contact. So just like what I explained to you guys, that if you borrow money from a loan app, you know that they are the one that will call you from morning to night, and they will continue to call you to disturb you based on they want you to pay their money. And that is not the only problem. Now you have some numbers that may be disturbing you regularly, calling you 24 hours without stopping. Even when you did not pick the call, they will keep on calling you. Now, for you not to be able to answer those calls, for those calls to stop calling you, this is how you're going to do it. Come over to this place that say block number not in contact. Now, these numbers are not in your contact, so they cannot be able to call you. That is one thing you need to know. Any number that is not in your contact, that is a strange number. That is totally strange number. So now what you do, you just click on enable this for settings. Okay, I've already enabled these settings here. Just take a look and see. I will click on this thing. Now there is a difference between block number. Now many people don't know that there are different ways we can block numbers. Okay, you can block number by call by using this feature. Then here, this feature means that there is a particular number that you actually don't want them to call you. Okay, now you can come here and block this number. Okay, this means that there are particular people that you don't want them to call you. Then you can go there and block these people directly. Now these settings that I just show you here that say block number not in contact means that whenever someone that is not in your contact try to call you, that person cannot be able to call you. Okay, they are going to be ending their call. Okay, whenever that person dial your number, it will be as if that number is not again, because the call will not totally go and the person will not receive any message or any response from MTN or any network that you're actually using. So this is a simple way on how you can block such numbers. Okay, it's very simple. You can go and try it out on your SIM card. You see that all those strange numbers, calls that are calling you, they will end. Now there is this thing that I actually want to let you know. This is a disclaimer. If you are doing these settings, if you enable these settings, please, if you are expecting an important call, okay, I will not advise you to enable this setting, because that person will keep on trying to call you. Maybe you have a project or you have a contract and you go and enable these settings. That is how you're going to lose it, because they will not be able to call you until you go back and enable the settings. Or you, maybe you know you have the person phone number, you can call the person and tell him, I've been expecting your call, but your call did not enter. The person will tell you who had that he have been calling you and it's not going. The reason is because the person did not save your contact and you did not save that person contact too. So it is only people that you save their number that can be able to call you. Get it and understand this. It is only people that you save their number that can be able to call you. Okay, if you did not save that person number, the person cannot be able to call you. So that is the purpose of this video, guys. If you love this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make videos of several settings on several issues. So you can go on my YouTube channel and start checking any video that you're actually interested. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.